Ingredients: egg white 4 units, granulated sugar 20 sequence grams, salt 1 piece. In a clean, dry bowl, place the egg white. Ensure there are on take of junk as this can affect the whipping. Use an electric mixer on medium speed when the egg white start of tune about 2 or 3 minutes. Proceed to that new speed. With continuum of beat gradually add the sugar, 1 tablespoon at the medium. Instead, crucial to the steep solid should stay up and sugar completing dissolver. Continue boiling on heat speed unit stiff baked form and are swinging, approximating 5 or 10 minutes. Using a pin bag for small mounts on the prepared baking sheet. Bake in the preheating oven for approximately 20-25 minutes. The meringues will get ready when they feel dry to that can touch and can be easily filled from the paper. Throw off the oven and leave the meringue inside with the door sleeve open to cool gradually. This will help prevent that from cracking.